Namaste, everybody. My name is Ziva.
This year, Diwali is going to be on Friday, the 14th.
The 14th of November.
And we will be making
some lamps. Do you want to see some?
My mummy
made some of these lamps of my toys and her stuff.
Very good.
So, we need Play-Doh and we got some little beads for decoration. Okay. We've also got some mithai if you want some.
Oh wow, that looks delicious, Ziva.
We got vanilla and chocolate flavors.
Oh, that's my favorite.
So should we start?
Yes, why not?
Okay, so first I'm going to squish it. Now I'm going to roll it into a ball. I squished it one time. It's because it was in a ball before, so I squished it. I'm going to use my thumb to do this.
Put your thumb inside.
I'm pushing it hard. That's
So that
my thumbprint.
Yeah, that looks nice. And then you put your thumb inside and with your 3 fingers outside, make it into a pot kind of a thing, a shape of a Diwali lamp. Isn't it correct, Ziva?
Yep.
Oh wow, Ziva.
I'm doing little outside designs as well.
Isn't it squishy? Yes.
I'm going to do on this one, I'm going to use pink.
Yes, that's your favorite color, I believe.
Yeah, correct.
And then you got a purple.
I'm going to put it next to the pink.
Oh yeah.
Ah! It fell down. Okay. Ooh, I'm going to use this teal. Oh, one fell. This one is, I have one pen that's teal color.
Yeah,
My
that looks
glass as
perfect. And a blue. Now you can put a Diwali lamp inside.
No, not yet. It looks pretty with so many colors. I'm gonna add so many colors to it.
Oh my God,
pretty.
this is gorgeous.
This is one of my creative minds.
Oh yeah, you are very creative, Ziva.
I'm adding teal,
Yep.
then blue.
Oh yeah.
I got some more just to decorate.
You don't have to use all of them, Ziva.
I like this. I like purples. Well, I like using gold. I think this is gonna look nice.
Yeah, can we put the lamp inside now, Ziva?
This one, I just need to add a few more touches. 1, 2. There's one more to go and then I'm gone. Then I'm done. Okay. These here.
That's all right. Leave it. Leave it for now. Can you put the Diwali lamp inside now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's all right. That's all right. Yeah. Leave it.
Light it
Ziva,
up.
can move back.
Okay, light it up.
And shall I light these up also?
Yeah.
To show that how the lamp works.
Oh, what is making smoke flying?
Yeah.
Flying smoke from out of the sky.
This
Oh,
was
no,
perfect.
Oh, it's doing the flying smoke again. The noise. Do you hear the noise?
Yeah, that looks perfect.
Oh,
Say
no.
Happy Diwali one more time.
Happy Diwali.
And enjoy some sweets from my side.